Assalamu alaikum everyone! Welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. In this important episode we will talk about the phrase never mind. What does it mean in spoken Egyptian? How do we pronounce it? And also how do we write it? But before I start analyzing this phrase, don't forget to enroll 100% free in my free course Egyptian 101 and also download my free ebook there. So you will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. So let's start. You hear never mind a lot in spoken Egyptian, really, because there are many situations that drive people crazy. The stress maybe in the streets, the rush hours, some problems and so on. And you will always find somebody trying to reduce the tension and tell people to calm down and never mind. So you will hear this phrase a lot, ولا يهمك or ولا يهمك. So what is ولا يهمك and ولا يهمك? We will analyze this phrase together. The first part is ولا. ولا is actually و, which is and لا, which is no. Okay? No or not. So this is the negation, ولا. And this go to the other part of the phrase, which is يهمك. يهم, it is a verb which means it is important to. So when you say يهمني, something that is يهمني, it's important to me. Okay? يهمه, important to him. يهمها, important to her. يهمك, important to you, male. يهمك, important to you, female. So when we say يهمك here, it means it's not important for you as a female. يهمك, important to you as a male. So when we say it together, ولا يهمك, it means that it's not now, it shouldn't be important to you or it shouldn't bother you. ولا يهمك. This is actually the literal translation of the phrase. So the actual meaning is never mind. Okay? ولا يهمك. Never mind. ولا يهمك, which is the female version. Okay, so we say it with me again. ولا يهمك. ولا يهمك. And say it with me, the female version. ولا يهمك. ولا يهمك. Ask yourself, when do I say never mind? I say never mind mostly if I want to calm somebody or if I want to surpass a situation or ignore a certain situation or make people ignore a certain situation. Okay, so I say ولا يهمك exactly the way I say never mind. If somebody is angry, for example, and I want to calm him or her down and just say never mind ولا يهمك for male, or I say ولا يهمك for a female. I guess now you can use the word ولا يهمك in any situation, and also you can use it with your friends, or if you are visiting Egypt or any Arab country, you can use it there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like the episode and subscribe to the channel, and have a look at the description box and look at the important resources there. Okay, if you have any question and find it really something difficult, ولا يهمك, just ask me in the comments below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot and see you in a future episode.